In today's fast-paced business environment, data analytics has become a crucial tool for managed service providers to help their customers drive operational efficiency, reduce costs, and encourage client growth. By leveraging the power of data analytics, we help our customers understand real-time insights into their systems, including current vulnerabilities within the system and understanding what drives client operational efficiencies. This leads us to make data-driven decisions for our customer base. Let's take a look at some of the advantage of data analytics within the context of manufacturing. First, data analytics can provide real-time visibility into network traffic and system performance. This allows us to keep our customers' operations and infrastructure as fast and as reliable as possible. Any change within an environment that causes a delay in network traffic or system performance immediately alerts us to keep our customers operating at max efficiency. Second, data analytics can help identify cybersecurity threats before they're taken advantage of. These analytics can actually help us monitor logs, network traffic, and other different kind of user behavior that helps us identify threats before they're taken advantage of, before a malicious user can actually take control of certain systems. This can include different internal employees as well, sometimes just by mistake. Third, analytics can improve IT service delivery. This can look like allocating resources to where they're needed, predicting server failure or hardware failure, and just simply optimizing overall performance to reduce the overall downtime that any customer can experience. We recognize the importance of uptime for our manufacturing customers. The longer you're down, the more money you're losing. Fourth, data analytics isn't just for the IT guy. This can actually help provide resourcing and understanding of customer environments to help make better decisions across all management platforms. By taking data and presenting it with management and certain leaders within an organization, especially manufacturing, they can actually help make new decisions on what technology to deploy to make their overall operations more efficient. Being able to share data and facilitate different insights within interdepartmental conversations is crucial to helping the overall infrastructure of a company. Finally, data analytics help us show our customers exactly where they can improve in their productivity. It proactively increases their efficiency in the way they use their systems. These analytics help us understand where our customers are losing time. By meeting with management, we can then improve overall efficiency by improving these areas of weakness or where there are lost efficiency data points. In conclusion, being able to have and utilize and go to data and understanding the metrics and what they mean is a powerful tool within any organization. It'll help reduce costs, improve efficiency, and simply drive overall growth. If you don't have someone to help you understand what these metrics mean, especially in the world of technology and IT, please feel free to reach out to us at 717-354-8385. You can also reach out to us online at MainStreetITSolutions.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.